Today we're going to take a look at some of the best starter aquariums on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Tetra Crescent Aquarium Kit. The Tetra Crescent Aquarium Kit is a compact and stylish option for housing your pet fish. With its curved front crescent shape and thoughtful features, this kit provides an ideal environment for 1 goldfish or up to 3 community tropical fish. The unique curved front crescent shape of the Tetra Aquarium Kit adds a touch of elegance to any space. This design not only provides a visually appealing display, but also offers unobstructed viewing of your underwater environment. You can enjoy watching your fish swim and interact from various angles, enhancing your overall aquarium experience. Includes Tetra Whisper internal power filter. Keeping your aquarium clean and maintaining a healthy environment for your fish is vital. The Tetra Crescent Aquarium Kit includes the Tetra Whisper internal power filter, a reliable filtration system that efficiently removes impurities and maintains water quality. This filter ensures that your fish have clean and clear water to thrive in, reducing the effort required for tank maintenance. Hidden energy-efficient LED lights. The Tetra Crescent Aquarium Kit features bright white energy-efficient LED lights that are hidden inside a low-profile black cover. These lights not only provide optimal illumination for your aquatic environment, but also create a pleasant and soothing atmosphere. Number 2. Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit. The Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit is a remarkable freshwater aquarium setup designed to elevate your aquatic experience. With its captivating curved front design, powerful filtration system, and adjustable LED lighting, this 9-gallon kit offers a combination of functionality and aesthetics. Curved front design. The Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit features a bold curved front design, adding a touch of elegance and visual appeal to any living space. The curvature provides a panoramic view, allowing you to observe your underwater world from various angles. This unique design element sets the Fluval Flex apart from traditional rectangular aquariums. LED lighting. Equipped with a 7500K LED lamp, the Fluval Flex promotes healthy plant growth and enhances the vibrant colors of your fish. The fully adjustable white plus RGB LEDs allow you to create a customized lighting experience, providing endless possibilities for color blends. With the included LED remote control, you can easily adjust the lighting settings and even activate fun special effects. Whether you prefer a serene blue hue or a vivid spectrum of colors, the Fluval Flex has you covered. Filtration system. Maintaining superior water quality is crucial for the well-being of your aquatic inhabitants, and the Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit excels in this area. It features a powerful 3-stage filtration system that ensures effective filtration of impurities. The mechanical stage utilizes foam to capture debris and particles, while the chemical stage employs carbon to remove odors and discoloration. Lastly, the biological stage utilizes biomax media to support the growth of beneficial bacteria, promoting a healthy and balanced aquarium ecosystem. Customizable water flow. The Fluval Flex Aquarium Kit allows you to customize the water flow according to your preferences. With multi-directional dual outputs, you can adjust the water flow intensity and direction to create the ideal environment for Y. Number 3. Fluval Vist Freshwater Aquarium Kit. The Fluval Vist Freshwater Aquarium Kit offers a complete solution for creating a captivating underwater world. With its spacious 8.5 US gallon 30 to L glass tank and panoramic bent glass design, this kit provides a stunning display for freshwater fish and aquatic plants. Panoramic bent glass design. The Fluval Vist Aquarium Kit features a unique panoramic bent glass design, which offers an immersive viewing experience. The elegant curved shape provides a wider perspective, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of your aquatic inhabitants from various angles. This design element adds a touch of sophistication to any living space, making it a true centerpiece. Energy-efficient LED lighting. Equipped with an energy-efficient 800K LED light, The Fluval Vist Aquarium Kit ensures optimal illumination for your aquatic ecosystem. The soft start feature gradually illuminates the tank, creating a more natural effect that won't startle your fish. This gentle lighting transition mimics the natural lighting conditions in their native habitats, promoting a stress-free environment for your aquatic pets. AquaClear 20 Clip-On Filter. Maintaining pristine water conditions is essential for the health and well-being of your aquatic life. Number 4 Fluval Betta Premium Aquarium Kit. The Fluval Betta Premium Aquarium Kit is designed to provide the utmost care and comfort for your cherished betta fish. With its advanced custom filtration system, gentle intake, diffusion chamber, soft glow LED lighting, and integrated heater, this kit ensures optimal water quality, a stress-free environment, and the ideal tropical temperature for your betta. The Fluval Betta Premium Aquarium Kit offers a custom filtration system with up to 6 stages of cleaning, ensuring maximum water quality and clarity. All necessary media, including mechanical, chemical, and biological components, are included in the kit. This comprehensive filtration system effectively eliminates impurities, toxins, and debris, providing a clean and healthy habitat for your betta fish. Gentle intake system. Betta fish have delicate fins that require protection from strong water currents. The Fluval Betta Premium Aquarium Kit addresses this concern with its gentle intake system. The intake features multiple slots spread over a large area, which slows down water entry and safeguards the delicate fins of your betta. This thoughtful design ensures a safe and comfortable swimming environment, allowing your betta to thrive. Diffusion chamber for water polishing. Number 5 Aquatop Venti Aquarium Kit. The Aquatop Venti Aquarium Kit is a remarkable all-in-one glass fish tank that combines style and functionality. With its sleek and modern design, this 2-gallon showcase aquarium is not only visually appealing, but also offers a hassle-free installation and maintenance process. Designed to create an ideal freshwater environment, this desktop aquarium kit is suitable for a variety of aquatic creatures, including betta fish, shrimp, guppies, small fish, and freshwater invertebrates. Superior filtration system. The Aquatop Venti Aquarium Kit incorporates an air-driven filtration system that ensures optimal water quality for your aquatic pets. It includes Aquatop's AP20 air pump, airline tubing, a check valve, biofoam for biological filtration, and a replaceable cartridge with activated carbon for mechanical and chemical filtration. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.